Daddy, you sure you know what you're doing?
Yeah. Uh-huh. Come on. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Whoa, last time I checked, I'm still hot. Real hot. Kept it dope without a pill pop. Bill Cos, steady climbing to the hilltop. Tip top, did it all off of a TikTok. Yeah, last time I checked, I still gotta get it on my own, stay independent for you.
So we had the final stages of the Cadillac here. I showed you what the spot we welded. And all this is now primer, which is called our last stage of primer. And this is what you call guide coat. So we're going to guide coat it, come down and sand the guide coat off to make sure it's nice and flat. So you see there's a couple of spaces that I put orange markers here. These are some imperfections that I can see that's actually passed the primer with the sand. So you got to put a little cumby here, maybe a little cumby here, a couple of these spots. Come down here. You see the hair is a little weighty, but the primer is thick enough. You got to keep it on you. The primer is thick enough that we probably can get it out of here. So as you come down here too, you see some couple more spots. You don't get a big close up on it. You don't gotta get close up on it. Just show me short arm. So this is some more scratches that we gotta get out. Some stuff that you can see that's past the primer. All right, let's move around to this side. So here's some more places that there were some scratches that you can still see past the primer. Primer got a little runny here, but that's all right because it's so heavy. They should be able to sand it, flatten that right out. This looks pretty good. I don't see any spots. Some spots here that need some cumby. So other than that, we're good to go. Come around here. We usually take all the cars one shot. This car is a little bit different because of the time stretches that we're on. And it's my car, so I'm doing it a little different. So now, see, we get the doors, inside the doors taped up. So today, we should get all inside of these doors taped up. And I already did the inside of the trunk. I showed y'all that the other day. All in here, we're gonna get taped up as well. Take all of this in here. So that we can put the trunk back on the car. And then we'll just mask all of this off. And then this will all be painted. And then we can close the trunk and paint the outside of the car. So keep a lookout for the 72 to see when it's done. I'll keep posted pictures.